When adding titles and animation to videos, there's an easy way to do it and a hard way. The hard way involves creating animations from scratch. The easy way is to use pre-made motion graphics templates where you just need to add your content in. But there's also a third way that's even easier than that: Final Cut Pro templates. With Final Cut Pro templates, you can insert, edit, and customize the motion graphics templates you use, all without having to jump to other programs like After Effects. Adjust the colors, fonts, sizing, and animation right from the comfort of the Apple editing program. Titles templates are one of the biggest categories when it comes to Final Cut templates, so we thought we'd help you out by putting together this list of the 10 best Final Cut Pro titles templates of 2020. All items featured in today's video are available with a subscription to Envato Elements. Find a link in the description. Number 10. Extremely Clean with the ability to pop 30 motion titles by Space Dog is an excellent pack. Its designs are fast to animate, have a crispness to each effect, and have a focus on clarity. It'll make your text straightforward and easy to read, and add a commanding punchiness that attracts the attention of the eye with a jolt. Number 9. If you're a YouTuber, you'll love the appropriately titled YouTuber Pack by Digital Products 669. From comic book styles to a highly animated and extremely fun old-school computer game style, this pack is a collection of exciting titles, lower thirds, and YouTube end screens. They all come in 4K resolution, there are no plugins required, and Digital Products 669 has an excellent reputation for making templates that are easy to use. Number 8. Modern Promo Titles Pack by Joel Starling is a must-have collection of titles templates. With a bunch of different layouts, shape placeholders, and playful animations, it provides you with options for titles, lower thirds, captions, and more. Each design is minimal, with the ability to customize colors and fonts to fall in line with your video. It's a comprehensive pack, and something that's always good to have in your toolkit. Number 7. This 4K pack of motion titles by Mizell D is a high-quality collection of titles that can be used as title cards, lower thirds, and even options for infographics and captions. The animations are eye-catching and extremely clean. The pre-made placeholders are tidy, and the coloring is simple and effective. Number 6. You always need something fun and a little over-the-top around for special events, and Galaxy Walk Cinematic Template by Strokeworks is very much that. As we glide across a glistening galaxy, your text is revealed, complemented by flickering lights. You can also insert your logo into these text placeholders. It's fun and great for special events. If you're enjoying this countdown, hit the like button and subscribe to the Envato channel for more. Number 5. 2D Lyric Titles by Mr. Flash Store is a wonderful set of titles that's perfect for YouTube. Full of titles templates, transitions, and calls to action, its animations are fresh and super creative. They feel like the perfect pairing for a YouTube influencer or fashion channel looking for highly animated on-screen text and images. It's high quality and extremely playful. Number 4. Extreme Titles by 2DFX Animation is a set of fiery templates that can add punch to your video titles. With flames, thunderbolts, and water animations, you can draw attention to text, add transitions, and more with this fun, straightforward pack. Number 3. Each year, there's an award season for almost every field. Be it acting, sports, or even design, there's usually a special event to cover at some part of the year. So, having an awards titles template on hand is a great idea. Awards Titles by vProxy is a stunning template that allows you to easily insert your copy and watch it animate. Edit the fonts, add your titles, and watch your video come to life. Number 2. Business Broadcast Pack is a comprehensive pack featuring everything you need to run a YouTube channel or broadcast channel. From lower thirds to end credits, it's all included. It's all in 4K resolution, the designs are simple, clean, and easily editable, and it's a great pack if you're looking for something comprehensive and timeless to help manage your channel. Number 1. Finally, Creative Titles by Bob Jackson Hive is one of the most visually stunning titles packs on the market. Featuring gorgeous on-trend gradients and coloring, as well as bold and highly effective text layouts, it's a collection of high-quality titles templates that are smooth, playful, and modern. It's a great choice for a creative channel. And that wraps up our list of the 10 best Final Cut Pro titles of 2020. All the items featured in today's video are listed in the description. Be sure to check out the next video selected just for you. And leave us a comment letting us know what top 10s you'd like to see next. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.